at Cold Fucker 7 for please. We're trying to make a traffic stop this vehicle. So we're still rolling eastbound on I-40. Slowing down just past the 135.
Be advised, he is armed and had made comments to suicide by cop. So everybody keep cover.
60, give us a minute.
Looks like we're going to be south on the shoulder.
Oh, you're 35. That's just a 1 here. That's right here. Yeah, that's what that is. 60 still eastbound, slow rolling.
Back on eastbound 137.
Still eastbound, North Carolina. That's what I'm looking for as well.
If you want to call, we can give you it right here.
Follow rock just in 37. As soon as we get around this curve, TBI.
That's 37. Hey, 21 Wood Rock, help you secondary. Eastbound, he's under number 1 lane. 55. Five further up this place. Going for TBI. TBI.
Felony takedown, felony takedown. Felony takedown, keep your distance. I don't see anyone. I got coverage on the vehicle. Someone got him?
Yep. Back up.
Get him in cuffs first. Front's clear.
Clear. Check bed. Bed clear. Check another side. All what you got. Other side clear.
Clear. There's a gun in the driver's seat.
Gun in driver's seat. He's thinking about it.
65 will drive. 65 will drive. 10-15 vehicles clear. Clear the net. For information, there is a handgun in the driver's seat. What's going on tonight, bud?
I need to turn my tires off. It's not turned off.
Okay, go ahead. We got.
I'm suicidal, man. I want to kill myself.
All right, walk back here. Let's
get my gear out.
let's just go right here, all right?
Can I walk forward?
Turn around. Keep your face right there, all right? Hold this. I'm gonna pat him down real good.
Good.
Do you have anything else on you, man?
Any knives, anything like that?
Spread your feet apart.
No weapons on, man.
Spread your feet apart.
I don't want to hurt y'all.
I got the sound when I saw that pistol in the driver's seat. You didn't plan on using it on us, or did you?
I plan on using it on myself.
Good, bro. Well, we don't want that.
Anything?
I'm a veteran too, so I understand.
How do you know? How do
Your
you know
unit's been calling, asking about you.
Is it that? So am I. That's fine. Can I get like a cigarette?
You dip?
You got a Zen in your pocket.
You want a Zen?
Yeah,
Zen?
I'd prefer a cigarette. I have cigarettes in there.
I don't have any cigarettes. I got a Rogue. It's a little bit more flavor.
What's that?
I got a Rogue, a little bit more flavor than a Zen. Want to give it a shot?
Yeah, sure. Holy shit, I can't believe y'all got the rifles out.
We want to be safe.
Well, man, we knew you was having suicidal thoughts. We didn't know if you was going to try and make us do it or not. We didn't want to take a chance.
I should have fucking done it, man.
No, you shouldn't have. Hey, nobody wants that to happen, all right? Nobody wants that to happen. I don't know what you're going through in life, but nobody wants that to be the outcome.
Man, I've been to too many funerals of my buddies. I don't want to see anyone else go through it.
I'm going to move right over to the